And welcome back to the second part of this tutorial. The next thing I'm going to do now, let's take care of this. So when we come in here, right here, I like it anytime I click on it or select any of the cards, I like the price displayed there. So to achieve that, I'm going to double click on that and come in here. The event is selected, index change. In there, let's use an if statement. If, and the name is going to be cmb car dot checked or dot text, right? I don't want to check now. I just want it to be dot text. If that is equals to Lamborghini, I guess the spelling is right. Okay. Then what we want is LBL car sales dot text equals as follows. So let's go for 65,980. Right. So I'm just going to repeat the same thing for the rest. Copy that. Let's say, and we use else if anyway. Let's say else if it's equal to, let's go for Rolls Royce. Get rid of that. Yeah, and what would be the price of a Rolls Royce? Maybe 75 or 76. That's fine. Now copy it again. The next one, that is Bugatti. I don't know how expensive that is. I'm just gonna make up some stories there. Alright, then maybe the final one, let's go for good old Mercedes-Benz. Alright, and how much should I go for? Let's make up something for that, maybe 54 there. Okay, that is done for the 4 cars. And what about, let's run it and see first. If we run it, select any car here, you see that. Right, so what about when we select mileage? Okay, so in the case of mileage, I'm just going to come here, let's grab the name of that. What's the name? Okay, CMD trading. Double click on CMD trading. I use the same method or the same technique. If that the text equals, so I have to get this one right, equals, let's say 100 to 501. Okay, then let's say LBL trade. Do we have trade? Yeah. Dot text equals, let's go for 1500. Yeah. No. 150. Oh, 15,000. Okay. Now come right down here. Else if it's equal to say 15, yeah, right, and that becomes maybe 10, and the next one, oh, I already have it selected, so let me see. I can just make up the numbers. Let's see the numbers we have in here. Okay, we have this, we have 10,000 and 10,000, okay, let's come down here, that's wrong. That will be 10,000, and if we copy that, then the next one is going to be 10,001 up to 20,000, up to 20,000, yeah. So the price here will be about 8,000, and in this case this will be maybe 5,000. That's what you get for the car that you're trading in. I think I have about 3 of those. 1, 2, and 3. That's correct. Right. So if we run it now, yeah. Okay, that is fine. I don't think this one is working. This works. This works. The very first one, there's something wrong somewhere. That should be 1500. Okay, maybe we should copy it. Okay, right down. Just try to get it right. Yeah. There we go. That's the right one. Right. Yeah, that's cool. Alright, that's fine now. Okay, the next thing I want to do is let's take care of the calculation using the array right up here. I declared that, so I want to copy that. Let's come right down here to total, or double click on total myself. Where's my total? Come on, double click on total right there. So the first part of the array, that's I will have to enter all of the text box in an array or checkbox. There's the very first one there. I'm gonna need a couple of those. So car cost 0. Let's say convert dot to double. Yeah. And what am I converting? The first one, let me go for LBL modify dot text. Right, that's the very first one. Just gonna copy. Okay, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Arrays always start from 0. Okay, so get that. Alright, then what I want to do is change this one. This will be maybe stereo, LBL stereo, LBL stereo. The next one, I think I have LBL customize. Then LBL label. Then we have global, LBL global, and followed by LBL travel. Then I have LBL car sales. LBL car sales. There. That is good. So all of the content in here have now been assigned, and these two as well, they've all been assigned to an array. So what I'll do is to make life easy for me, I'm going to add up the array here. So let's come in here, let's paste that. So that will become 7. Yeah, 7 equals, that will be 0 plus, okay, so let's copy that, paste, and paste another one. So that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 more. We call that 6. Right, that is good. So that is taken care of now. Now if you guys still remember, as part of my global variable there, I have tax rate. So the tax rate in this case, I'm going to make that 0.45. That's my tax rate. Okay, so let's come down to my total here. So for the tax rate, that is going to be cos 8, car cos 8 equals my tax rate on what is, let's look for my, yeah, there we go, I tax. So bring that down here, yeah, I tax equals, yeah, that's, and that will be car cost 7. So that should give me my tax rate. Then I can say LBL tax equals car cost 8. This should be .text. Then subtotal itself, LBL subtotal .text equals car cost 7. Right, and total, LBL total .text equals car cost 7 plus car cost 8. Yeah, plus car cost 8. Right. Okay, there's something we forgotten. So let's say format currency. Yeah, that's correct. So let's copy this. I'll paste that here. And here as well. Alright, so let's run it now and see how that will work. And here we select, just select anything, select whatever car, and there, that is fine. Okay, that is good. Right, reset. This one needs to be reset as well. So let's find out the names. Double click on receipt, and right there here we can say LBL car sales dot text equals the other one is LBL, I think mileage, no, travel dot text equals there. Alright, so the reset is taken care of there as well. Let's try it again. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. One more time. There. So what is left now is the receipt. The receipt is not working yet. Okay, let's take care of the receipt and we'll call it a day. Okay, let's double click on the receipt. The first thing we want to do is to call the receipt, RT receipt. Let's say dot append text. And what do we want? Let me enter first of all. Let's just come in here and enter as follows. We can always say vehicle sales trading management system. Right. Okay, now let's append some other. We'll copy this. Let's append the line there. Okay, this one is going to be just lines. Right. There's one more thing here. We need to enter plus Visual Basic new line. There we go, guys. And here as well. Plus Visual Basic new line. And this one. Now, let's go for name. Customer's name. And do that. And do it again. Yeah. Name plus tab plus now the VB tab plus one more VB tab. Right, VB tab. Okay, 4 of those plus txt name dot text plus new line, VB new line. Okay, so let's see how this one works. Let's add a space here. If I run it and I enter customer name there, okay, select anything here, select car and click and receipt. There we go, Tony. So we have excess line here. Alright, so now we know that's working as we want. Okay, let's come in here. We need to delete about 7. Alright, that's fine. So I'm now gonna speed that up. The next one, let's just copy this. That is for my address. Paste and change this to address. Okay, that's for the address. So this one is going to be txt address as well. Okay, let's speed that up, guys. Okay, that is my receipt. Those are the lines of code for the receipt from here up there. Okay, let's run it and see. and here we have a name. Let's give it a name, maybe Henry. An address, number 13, option road, postcode KMP, and telephone number. Right. Okay, let's select all the accessory that he wants. And what type of car? Bugatti. Okay, we need a price there. What happened? Okay, yeah, that's working. What happened here? Yeah, let's change. Okay, that's fine. Now click on total and click on reset. There, guys. So guys, with that, I'm gonna call it the end of this tutorial. I suppose you all enjoy it. So you all have a nice day now, and bye for now.